Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be showing you how to see every single comment you have ever left on YouTube. Now, if you're anything like me, this was an interesting one to see because I've had this YouTube account for a very long time, commented on a lot of things and said some dumb stuff, as you probably have too. That being said, let's jump straight into this tutorial-esque video, if you want to call it that. This is very simple, but I've had some people reach out and ask me this, so I just wanted to show you. Isn't she precious? Yes guys, so onto the laptop and we're going to find how you check all of your YouTube comments. Now there's many reasons you would want to do this, but some people still don't know how to do this, and this has actually changed over the last year or so, I believe, because there was like an older way that you basically found out all of your comments. So first things first, you want to just go to YouTube, of course, and we want to just literally go on to history. Then all you basically want to do is click on to comments, and you're literally going to find all of the comments that you've made on your channel, other channels, everything. And if you keep scrolling down, you're literally just going to keep finding all of them. So if you just scroll all the way down, you're going to find like the first ever comment that you've left on channels, which will just go down. Let's just see something I've commented a while ago, very long time ago. So someone's big up Nab, so edit sick as per big up Nab. What does the cheese say to itself in the mirror? Hello me. So yeah, that's what I was commenting on people's channels. Oh no. So yeah, there's loads of stuff that you can see that 3 years ago I was doing probably exactly what you don't want to be doing. Check out my latest video. Do not post that, guys. Do not post that. But yeah, guys, hope this one helped. I know, it's still a bit confusing. You used to have to go into your channel, go into the creator studio, and then like scroll through loads of things to find this. So hopefully that helped out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace. Hollywood 6.